Welcome to Feisty Marketer. Today we discussed one of the best earning websites. So if you want to earn more with online works, you are just the person we are looking for. So get ready for work and earn more money. Someone who have these necessary tools like mobile, laptop, or then get ready to watch this video till the end. Now we introduce you to one amazing earning website. Sproutgigs.com is an online marketplace that connects freelancers and business owners around the world with easy-to-do affordable tasks. Here, you can set filters and target your ideal freelancer. In this website you browse your own choice of work like digital marketing, digital writing, graphic designing, presentations or photos and videos making, mobile apps, web development, SEO and much more. You can earn anywhere from a few cents to about $2 per task. The more you take on micro tasks, the more money you can make. But then, it all depends on whether the employer or task owner is satisfied with your delivery. The minimum payout threshold is $5.75. Unlike other popular freelancing networks like Fiverr, Freelancer, and Upwork, where the minimum payout amount is high, with Sproutgigs.com, you can basically earn money for basic needs. Sproutgigs is a legit website that pays workers via PayPal, Skrill, Airtem, Uphold, and Litecoin once they have a balance over $5 in their wallet. A completely new feature will match you with experienced freelancers who will deliver your most important projects on time and within a reasonable budget. Aside from making money by doing micro jobs on Sproutgigs, you can also make money through their affiliate program. You get to earn a 5% recurring income from the money earned or spent by each person that signs up on Sproutgigs via your affiliate link. So in last we talk about most important is frequently asked questions, so must read these all FAQs, it's most important before you start the work. Now we talk about how this website works. So for this purpose, first of all we need to sign up. So now we click on the sign up button. Then you see the sign up form is open, so fill up the form according to your correct details. After fulfilling the details, read out the complete form again and then click on the submit button. Then Sproutgigs.com sends you an email for verification, so see your email after the verification your account is created successfully. So, now you see your dashboard. In this beautiful website your one account is all in one, means you work as a worker or employer, both of us with this one account. So, now I show you one beautiful feature of this website. In the top this button is convert you on both sides. So if you want to work as an employer then click button and go left side as in buyer. And if you want to work as an worker then click button and it's go right side. After that we try to visit your whole dashboard. So, the main page shows some other freelancers' gigs as the default feature. In this you find different small gigs of different categories. So it shows many freelancers are available to work for you and its prices. So, now we show you top menu options. So, first of all gigs, in this you find the browse gigs option, so click on them and you find many gigs available on your screen. And on the right side it's payable price. And in the middle you find how many people responded about this gig. So choose according to your work requirement and enjoy your life more easy with the help of professional freelancers. In the next many tabs you find micro jobs. So, in this many micro jobs are waiting for you, and on the right side you show the price paid to you after performing this micro job. So, find them according to your expertise and enjoy more earning. So, now we show you how you can perform these tasks, so choose one of them and see the task details carefully. Then scroll down to see more details about what the employer expects from the worker, most important in this employer describing the work they want from you. Then the employer required proof, so when you finished your task after that you provided the proof. Then in below you find the box in which you enter the title of the work as a proof and much more according to the employer requirements. In the end you submit the proof. Now we talk about the payments section in which your earned money is available is called wallet, so on the top menu click on the wallet button. Then you see two sections available, one is withdrawals and another is transactions. In the bottom you see the note about payment receiving, so 10 days required after requesting the withdrawal. In the bottom you find the highlighted text link of payment withdrawal requests, so click on them when you have the minimum withdrawal amount and its fee. In the top right you see your earned amount. Most importantly, on the left top you see refer a friend link, in which you find the referral link, so this is the one more earning source, so find your friend who wants it to work and earn money and ask them to sign up with your referral link, then you earn $5 instantly. So at last you see in the bottom menu much more important tabs of frequently asked questions, FAQs, rules. So, read carefully all the rules and facts of workers and employers separately. One more beautiful feature to build trust and motivate you is ranking, so see the rank of your country-wise workers in the top profile menu. Click on the Workers Ranking tab, then you find the name of worker, country, success ratio, earned amount and how much task they did. So this is the beautiful website.
Please subscribe our channel for more interesting videos and shorts.